Some places are just made for a perfect getaway. Whether you are looking for a luxury staycation, some one-on-one time with nature, or a once-in-a-lifetime unique experience, there is only one place that offers all three in a single package. Tatsarasa Resort and Spa in Udaipur. The property offers unmatched hospitality and luxurious accommodations.
तात्सरासा शब्द डिराइव हुआ है संस्कृत से। इसका मतलब होता है काम, चार्मिंग, ब्यूटीफुल। और इस व्यू को देख के मुझे भी कुछ ऐसा ही फील हो रहा है। The rooms here are super spacious and each room has its own outdoor space.
The breakfast spread is lavish and remarkably tasty. Tatsarasa is ideal for travelers who are seeking isolation, serenity, and romance. डेली लाइफ के स्ट्रेस और सिटी के चहल पहल से मीलों दूर इस होटल में आपको मिलेगा मॉडर्न कंफर्ट्स और रूरल एक्सपीरियंस का परफेक्ट ब्लेंड। Participate in a live cooking lesson with the resort's top chefs. There are a lot of fun activities to indulge in at Tatsarasa, but the magic you experience on the resort's guided nature walk or a picnic in the mountains is truly rare and extraordinary. The feeling of driving among the Aravalli ranges is incomparable. You feel free and full of life. Tatsarasa will open your eyes to the true beauty of nature and help you rediscover yourself as a person.
At night, enjoy a private candlelight dinner as the calming sounds of the night capture your imagination. प्रॉपर्टी को अपने बकेट लिस्ट में ऐड कर दीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो आपको पीस ऑफ माइंड, जो वाइब्स, जो ऑथेंटिसिटी मिलती है वो कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. Tell us in the comment section below if you have been to this hotel or if you would like to come here in future. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to घुमाओ क्या, so that हम हमारे travel experiences आपके साथ share करते रहें. Bye bye.